My name is Pat Blakeney. I'm the Operations Manager here at Thruxton Motorsport Centre in the heart of Hampshire. Thruxton Motorsport Centre specialises in operating days where the general public can come and drive some of the world's greatest supercars in a nice, safe, exhilarating environment. The circuit is 2.4 miles in circumference. We have a number of trackside marshals. We also have people within the pit area that are all looking after the operation and safe running of the day. For us, the communication from one to another is absolutely paramount. We need to know if there's a problem out on the circuit. To have somebody literally in contact with you at the press of a button is very, very important. And obviously radio communications are the best, the most efficient way of doing that. When we first started using radios here, very, very limited features on the radios. Vertex standard radios are much, much more reliable. Our current fleet is the Vertex VX 820 range. We need to be able to operate separate channels here. So we'll use one channel for the operational side, but we'll also have our admin staff that will need to talk to each other as well. In addition to the main circuit, we also have our own kart centre. Because we're operating two tracks there, we have two separate standalone channels.
We have a race controller who sits up in the office and can oversee all the track. We have anything up to 6 or 7 marshals on the circuit, including pit lane, and we have to talk to each other, especially when things go wrong. We use a Vertex standard radio. This is really important that we have an additional microphone and a speaker. It means I can keep my hands free when I'm out there with the customer.
We've got another 5 laps.
We need to know instantly what's happening so we can react to a situation very quickly. Obviously safety is our priority. It's quite a noisy environment with the engines and the cars going by, and so if somebody wants to get hold of you, you need to be able to hear what they're saying and be able to communicate back with them. The weather today is not very good, but obviously we are in Britain and it does rain a lot, so it's very important, and we've got the equipment that is waterproof and is able to stand up and do the job that we need it to do.
It's such a large area that we have to cover. Obviously we've got customers all over the place here, so we need the radios to be able to communicate, to be able to find out availability of various cars on track, to make sure that the customers know exactly what they're doing and that we can keep in touch with all staff here. They're ideal because they're not particularly big, so that means that we can have them on the desk, and they're very easy to use.
Obviously, working in this environment, we need to be able to react very quickly to situations, and time is of the essence for everything. So for us to have immediate contact with everybody else is absolutely critical. The VX 820 range, absolutely the right tool for the job. Performs very well, harsh environment, very robust, very rugged, and very reliable.